Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We have a Chevy Monte Carlo. We are doing a shifter bushing repair. Quite common for these vehicles. About all the GMs have this, Chryslers have this, Fords have this. There's different shifter repair bushing kits for this. Quite a few different places. Amazon has them. There's a place down in Florida that sells them. Big, nothing but shifter type stuff. You can look them up pretty easy. So this is a how-to on this one vehicle. Right here is the air filter housing. Was the shifter bushing itself is right there. So it's attached to this little bracket we got right here, which is attached to the transmission, which is attached to the shifter fork. Can't really get your hands back in there, so what I do is I take off the mounting bracket, this one right here, and then walk it out here. So out here in the front of the vehicle, I got all kinds of room to work on this thing. Granted, you could do it back there, but I like trying to make stuff as easy as possible with doing this. So this little repair kit comes with the bushing, which you see in here. One installer tube and one installer cap. It's going to go in like yay. Cap is going to go on top. I put a little bit of PB Blaster on there just to make it so it slides in real easy. When it's like this, the bottom half will be sticking out. And you can use a pair of pliers, squeeze it, and the bushing goes up inside, just like you would like a bearing press. And then cap off, the insert off, and then you have it right there. Nice new shifter bushing. So now I'll work itself back through there, put it back onto the, it just pops right onto the shifter fork. Other than that, and reinstall all the air filter housing stuff just to make it easier to get back there. See how easy it is. Once all this stuff is out of the way, it's literally right there. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.